So in this Phet, you actually have the opportunity to do things. For example, I can go ahead and move this ruler around here. So I'm going to have everything start at 3. I'm going to just be sure everything is aligned. Okay. And what's cool about this Phet is that you can go ahead and you can actually create a few waves on your own. Notice I am here, and I'm making a wave here. And you can see it go back and forth. Okay. So one thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to send out a wave, and you notice I can go ahead and adjust things like tension in the wave. So I can make it a very high tension string or a medium tension string, and then after you notice I can see that there are differences between the two, and you can see some wave behavior. Dampening, I'm going to suggest that you set it down to 0, so that way you can observe an undampened wave. And then after you can also slow the wave down. All right. Anyway, so I'm going to reset everything. So I'm going to put it to moderate dampening here. Slow motion with all my things. And one thing I would like for you to try is just to go ahead. There's a Google form attached to this right now. But what you're going to do is that you're going to go ahead and shake this, but I want you to time how long it takes to go these, well, I think it's like 7.5 centimeters. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead and send one pulse out, and I'm going to see how long it takes to come back. So you see there's my wave. And start the timer. And you can see that's how long it takes. So my wave took about 2 seconds to go forward So you can see that we can figure out how far your wave is. You can also measure how tall it's moving, and also basically the wavelength of the wave. I can just pause it right there, and I can measure how big this wave is, which is some of the things you're going to be required to do within the Schoology. So please go ahead and try this app out. Try to see if you can change anything and what exactly changes the form of your waves. Does amplitude have something to do with your speed and such things? All right. Okay. Good luck, everyone. Please enjoy.